Welcome to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the effects of hand sanitizer on your steering wheel. Though hand sanitizer has health benefits during the pandemic, it can harm the fine finishings in your vehicle such as the leather on your steering wheel. So first off, your health is far more important than the quality of the leather on your steering wheel, so that is the priority. And as our behavior changes by being more diligent with using hand sanitizer, let's also see how we can adapt by protecting our leathers in our car, especially the steering wheel. It's probably best to talk about the finishing of our automotive leather. So basically, it's been tested for wear, tear, abrasions, and chemical resistance. Due to handling exposure to elements such as heat, cold, UV, your automotive leather takes a lot of heavy usage compared to your household furniture. So protecting the leather finish is important, and one of the worst culprits for your steering wheel is hand sanitizer. Because it's alcohol based, that will break through your leather's top coat. Now that top coat finish is meant to seal the leather, but even that is used loosely because top coat is not a full sealant. As it may not resist elements such as water, it is meant to seal the dye so that it won't rub off and protect the leather as much as possible. And many leather top coats are petroleum based, so when you mix one petroleum with another, such as hand sanitizer, it starts to break down. Now, besides hand sanitizer, your steering wheel comes in contact with a lot of contaminants, such as body oils, grease, and dirt. So by protecting that top coat, you're helping it from cracking, fading, discoloration, along with removing that shiny gloss look, because leather is actually supposed to be that matte finish. So if you have that glossy look to your leather, that means that it's full of contaminants. Now the tools and products that we're going to be using are Gyeon's Leather Cleaner Mild, Gyeon's Leather Coat, and a couple of microfiber towels, a horsehair brush, and applicator. So first off, we'll start with protecting the dashboard and the gauge cluster with a cloth from any sort of overspray from the cleaning and scrubbing process. Then we'll apply the cleaner to the horsehair brush and start to scrub that in gently. Now this is going to release all those contaminants such as the oils and bring them to the surface. You also don't want to oversaturate the leather by using too much product. So basically less is more, but use what you need. I'm also going to use a smaller brush to get into those tighter areas. And now with a clean microfiber towel, we're going to remove all that residue from the steering wheel. Now I like to dab it, but at the very least you could wipe in a straight motion. What you want to try to avoid is rubbing all that residue right back into the leather. So not a lot of pressure is needed. Then use a slightly damp cloth to remove any excess. Now, if it's still glossy, then just repeat the process. What you're looking for is that matte finish. And then just follow up with a dry microfiber towel just to make sure all the moisture is gone and the steering wheel has that matte look that you're looking for. Now let's just take our Gyeon leather coat and give it a good shake. and with just a couple of squirts on the applicator pad. And just like most products, when you're using an applicator pad, just dab it first and then proceed to wipe it further into the leather. And this will help to seal and protect that leather top coat. After you've coated the surface front and back, then just flip the applicator pad over to the dry side and wipe away any excess. Now you'll want to give this time to dry and bond, so at least 2 hours before regular use. I would also recommend that you repeat this process every 3 months for best results and durability. And look at how nice that matte finish came back with a quality cleaner and protectant. And keep in mind that leather is a matte finish in its natural form. And you can use the Gyeon leather cleaner and leather coat on any of your leathers, such as shift knobs, seats, doors, any surface that is covered with leather. In addition, the Gyeon products won't change the color of your leather, so you can safely apply it without fear of discoloration. So now that we're done, this just needs some time to cure. Now, best practice when using hand sanitizer in your vehicle is to wait until it is actually fully dried on your hands before touching your steering wheel, gear shift, or anything else that the alcohol-based product can break down. So just wait that added moment for the alcohol to evaporate before driving off. Now, this video isn't sponsored by Gyeon. I'm just a fan of that quality product. And look at the residue that came off the steering wheel during the cleaning process. And here's the finished product once more. Look at that nice OEM matte finish, a look that leather is supposed to naturally have. And this steering wheel is protected for a good 3 months. And make sure you help keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.